Hello, hi, I am Niranjan. The peoples who want to set a custom ringtone for their dual SIM mobile or both SIMs, just go to the file manager, open it, then go to your SD card, external SD card, copy which song you want to set as a ringtone. Suppose now I am going to set Tum Hi Ho. Just select it, don't make any copy, and directly go to your internal storage. There should be ringtone folder should be there. If it's not there, then go to media folder, make a new folder, ringtones, then copy this song to this folder. But I have a ringtone folders already here, so I will go and copy selection here. Okay, that's completed. Okay, then go to your caller option, then go to settings, then sim card settings, then sim 1 phone ringtone, then see where is that ringtone now. Where is that ringtone? It should be at down, maybe. Just look at that. Where is that ringtone? That ringtone. See, tum hi ho. It's here. Okay, you can set custom ringtones for both sims card. See, this is secondary sim card, and you can also set the same ringtone for that also. If you want to set different ringtone, you can set. That's it. It's done.